Hey, what's up everyone? Bike check 2015. I still have the Kink, the outfit frame, 20.75 top tube, 13.75 rear end length when slammed, and it's just about slammed right where I like it. I have a stock stolen seat that my buddy gave me years back, attached to a stolen metal seat post that's been painted many of times, of course, with still got the rails on my seat. Don't judge for that. Sprocket 25 tooth Shadow Scream, Shadow V2 half link chain, 48 spline redline device cranks, 175mm, Odyssey twisted PC pedals. We got a redline bottom bracket with a united cone spacer in there, and then a demolition spacer on the other side for the non-drive. Start with the back now. I have a proper Magnolite 3 hub laced to a proper microlight rim. Tires front and back are premium CK tires, 20 by 2.4. They're a little bit worn down, but they're still rolling good for me. Up towards the front, we got a Blitz Complete front wheel. It's kind of a Hoffman brand wheel with another premium tire. Sputnik Spectrum forks, really good forks. It's sad that Sputnik kind of went out of business. Pretty bummed about that. Sputnik headset with 3 spacers in there. S&M Redneck XLT stem. I've had it for 9 years. It's been painted many times as well. Sputnik top cap there. We got Kink human bars. I cut them down some, so the width, normally if you buy these bars new, are 29 inches wide, but right now they're about 28.3. The height on these bars also is 8.75. And is there anything I'm missing here? I just have a random DK peg in the back on the left side, trying to learn ice pick grinds better. I'm only running 1 peg on my bike because I don't really care. I kind of go for lightweight too, helps me ride better. This axle is hollow, but my crank spindle is not hollow. It's just a... But that's that. My bike with this peg weighs 24 pounds. Thanks for watching.